Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi 10A. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. And now go to passwords and security. Enter lock screen and confirm with your current password. As you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: pattern, pin and password. Let's select pin. And now enter 4 to 16 digits. Now let's use the password we've set to unlock the phone. Next, let's select password. Set your password containing at least 4 characters. Again, let's use it to unlock the phone. And in the end, let's set up pattern. Now when it's done, we can use it to unlock the phone. Now, let's go to Face Unlock and simply scan your face in this area to set it as Face ID. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, we can set up fingerprint unlock. Simply add fingerprint and scan it on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now let's use the fingerprint ID to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.